Hello, let me quickly go through the CrankOver admin panel. So here, once I've logged in, you'll be able to see the total users, live storefronts, subscribers and active blog. And under entities, you'll be able to see your users. So we have the role, the provider and also the consumer. So that means the provider is the seller and the consumer is the buyer. And you'll be able to see the storefront's URL here as well. You should be able to change the roles if you want to. You can even delete them if you want. And on the newsletter, you'll be able to see everyone who has subscribed to your newsletter. And we have a blog as well. So basically, as an admin, you're able to create a blog if you want. This is the blog. And you should be able to edit it as well if you wish. And we have the settings. So it's a white label. You can basically change a logo, change a platform name and the price as well. So currently we're charging the provider $10 to list the business. So if I change it to $5 and then go to the pricing page, now users will be able to list it for $5. Let me change it back to, well, let me just change it to 0 for now. And you'll see it's 0. So that means people will be able to list their various car parts on the official website for absolutely free. Then later you can change it if you want. So that's the admin panel. Let's take a quick look at an existing user to see the dashboard and see exactly how it appears for a provider. So let's have a look now. We're on the login page. Let's quickly just sign in into the platform. So I'll just type in my personal email here and my secure password. Let's wait. Here we go. The dashboard has been successfully loaded. So under overview, you'll be able to see the total revenue this account has made, the active listings and the pending payout. And you can clearly see right here that we have the specific URL. So if you just click on it, here is the actual storefront. So this is my personal storefront right now. Now, over on the main dashboard panel, under my listings section here, you will be able to see all of my current listings, and you should also be able to add a new listing whenever you like. You should be able to change the settings for your listing here, add images, add a gallery as well, add your price, and you can publish it. And moving over to the sales section of the dashboard, you'll be able to view all of your recent customer orders, the current status of each individual order, whether it's been delivered, shipped, and various other details as well. And if you happen to have an order that's currently in the new status, you can quite simply click on this button right here and it'll then say delivered. And to the processing as well, you can click on it, it will be marked as shipped, and if you click again, it will be automatically delivered. Now let's go to the payout section. So the payout, actually, when you click, it'll redirect you to Stripe here, and here is the Stripe page. So you can see the total amount that I've made. And now, under settings, you're able to customize your storefront, update your logo, change your location, and your date as well, which can be changed here, and your custom store URL here. So this is the provider view. Now let's take a proper look at a typical buyer account. I've just finished switching over from the previous profile, so what you see here on the screen is a standard buyer account. If we look closely under the buyer's main dashboard area, the dashboard is very, very simple. You'll only see the orders you've made. Let's do a quick demo. So let's say I want to purchase something. Let's say I want to order this. Okay, so let's try adding this item to the cart. So now let's go, and here's the total. Let's check out. So by default, we're using Stripe. Here we go, we've been redirected to the Stripe checkout. So you simply click on pay, and here, I'm currently using a test account to make this payment, just to show you what it will look like. Let's wait. I must ask my grandmother a question. Look at her, she's just talking absolute nonsense.